So in this video we'll work on the blog section. So after the pricing section, begin a comment, write blog, create a new section with a class blog and mgtb, the margin class. Now inside this I'm going to create a row. Now inside the row I'll create a h4 with class header and center. Now I'll write strong latest from blog. Now I'm going to add two break statement. Now after this row I'll create one more row, and here I'll create a div with a class call s12. It will take up 12, the entire width in mobile devices, and on the large devices and up it will take up 3 column, so 4 into 3, so it will be 4 because I want 4 blog, so L3, and on medium devices M6 it will take up 2 columns, 6 column each. Now inside this I'll create a card. This is a Materialize class. Now inside the class I'll create a div with a class card image, waves effect, waves block, and waves light. Now inside this I'll add the image. The image is going to have a class called activator, and in the source I'll do https lorempixel.com 800 400, and let's say nature 8. And after this div I'll create a div with a class card content. This is also a Materialize class. Then I'm going to create a span with a class card title and the class activator, and also a class called center. Now inside this I'll create a strong tag, and I'll write macro photography. Now I'm going to create a small tag with a class called write, and I'll write the date, let's say 12/2/2020, and I'll also create one more small tag with a class left and a class called gray text and text lighten 3, and here I'll write category tutorial. Now after this div I'm going to create a div, one more div with a class called card reveal. So the content inside this will get revealed when you click on this. So card reveal, I'll create a span with a class card title, gray text, text darken 4. I'll write the same thing, macro photography. So let's copy this. Let's add a icon. So I with the class material icons, and also a class called write. This will be close. Next I'm going to create a paragraph with a class called gray text, text darken 4, and I'm going to copy the information. Let's say just copy this and paste it here. So now let's save and have a look. So we have one card. We need to style the color because it is white, that's why I don't see this, because it is white. So we'll change the color of the text in CSS, but the card is working. Now let's copy this div, entire div, and paste it 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Let's save. So we have the cards. Now I'm going to change the images. This will be photography tips. Let's copy this, paste it here. Let's change the category to tips. Let's change the date. And I'm going to change this 8 to 5. Now the third one, let's say animal photo. I'm going to copy this, paste it here. Let's change this to tips, and this 8 to 4. Let's change this one to 6. DSLR cameras. Copy this, paste it in the reveal. Let's save this and have a look. So we have the cards. Now I'm going to style it. So go back to style.css file. After the pricing section, begin a comment. Let's say blog. So I'm going to target the blog. So blog background color, I'm going to change background color 262626. I'm going to add a padding of 50 pixel. Then I'm going to target the card content, and I'm going to change the background color to 263238. Let's save this. So we have the cards, and when you click on it, this reveal gets popped up, and it further shows some information. So this is all about the blog section, and in the next video we'll work on the contact section.